So the mural that you work with has certain settings when you start with it. So if you want to change around the settings on any empty area, you can right click and over here you will be able to see different settings. So such as show.grid right here and so forth. And you can also click on edit mural settings right here. So once you do that here, you can see that right now faint white is the color that is being displayed out for the background. You can go around, make it completely white and press done as well. So now the background becomes completely white. You can right click over here and then you can go around and click on, let's say for example, edit mural settings or make it completely dark over here as well. So besides that, what you can do is you can go around onto the mural settings and you can go around and let's say for example, add in different avatars like travel avatars right here as avatars for visitors when they actually get online. You can also go around and set out the timer sound according to how you like cuckoo clock and so forth, and even click on listen to preview it out. So here you can see that the name of the mural is untitled. So here you can go around and name out the mural according to how you like as well and press done to change around the settings of the mural just like this. So that is how you can edit out mural settings in the way you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.